A man sharing the name with Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar tried to enter a high security area with a poster in his hand during the state level Independence Day function at the historic Gandhi Maidan in Patna. The man, identified as 26-year-old Nitish Kumar, was demanding a government job on compassionate grounds as his father, a Bihar military police personnel, had died on duty a few years ago. Holding a poster detailing his demand, Kumar tried to enter a high security area where his namesake CM was addressing a gathering after hoisting the national flag, but was quickly overpowered by security personnel present there and removed from the venue. The Patna district administration had ordered a high level inquiry into the incident. At least 54 people were killed as incessant rains pounded Himachal Pradesh and neighboring Uttarakhand. Reports said that of the 54 people, 51 of them died in rain-related incidents in Himachal Pradesh alone. In the capital, Shimla, 14 bodies were pulled out from the sites of two landslides, and officials feared that there could be more people trapped under the debris of the Shiva temple in the Summerhill area. Reports said that 19 people died in rain-related incidents in Mandi district. In Solan, 11 people, including 7 members of a family, were killed. In neighboring Uttarakhand, 3 people were killed and 10 were missing on Monday as torrential rain slashed the state. A landslide hit a camp at Lincholi on the Kedarnath trek route, damaging 4 shops in which 1 person from Nepal was killed and a trader went missing. 2 bodies were also recovered from rain-fed streams near Shiv Temple and Miranagar areas in Rishikesh. As India celebrates 76 years of independence on Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation from Red Fort and unfurled the national flag. He also paid tribute to all the brave hearts who gave their contribution to India's freedom struggle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted people on the 77th Independence Day. The celebrations took place under elaborate security arrangements in the national capital and other parts of the country. This year's celebrations mark the culmination of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative started by the central government in 2021 to mark 70 years of independence. During his address to the nation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed for peace in violence-hit Manipur. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who skipped Independence Day celebration at Red Fort, slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for indicating that the BJP will come to power in 2024. In his address from the Red Fort, PM Modi exuded confidence that he will address the nation from the Red Fort next year to list out the progress on the promises he had made to the people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement did not go down well with Kharge. Calling the PM and his statement arrogant, Kharge said whether the PM would come to power or not is in the hands of the public. A chair reserved for Kharge, who is also the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, was seen empty during the Independence Day function at the Red Fort.